is the Ramen Raider coming at you with another super cool episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one that was sent to me by James from Lakeside, California. Thank you very much, dude. He sends me a lot of stuff, and right when I need it too, right when I'm running low. That was awesome. Check this out, Snapdragon chicken ramen. It's made in Vietnam for the US. An interesting one. It says it is inspired by the street food of Asia. Snapdragon satisfies your craving for rich, vibrant, mouth-watering umami flavor. That's not been my experience in the past, but we'll find out. So, here we go. Daddy's home. Okay. Have you guys ever seen this? There's a movie called Blue Velvet. Yeah, if you want to see a really weird movie, you should watch Blue Velvet. Old David Lynch film. Oh, who's in it? Man, God, what's his name? I can't even think. It's so early. It's only 7:30. And I'm trying the umami flavor of corn. This is not gonna resemble street food from anywhere. I can tell you that already. Maybe it will. There's some, looks like garlic and other junk in there. I like garlic. I really don't know. But of course, in a sense, oh, it's doing okay. Maybe I'm writing this one off too quick. After reviewing 4,000 varieties, I kind of have a feeling of where things are gonna land a lot of the time. And this one seems like it's gonna land in, come on. There's the weird. Okay. Let's put 3 minutes on the timer. So we've decided we don't like the new kitchen timer. It's kind of, I mean, it works, but it's like looking up at it, you can't even read it. Yeah. It's, and the beady beep, beady beep, beady beep, beep that issues from it, it's really quiet. It's just not a loud kitchen timer. It's a KitchenAid. See? Yeah. Yeah, it's really hard to see, fresh batteries and everything, so I don't know. I think it's time to go back to the drawing board and try something else. They've got so many kitchen timers on Amazon, but it's important. You need a good kitchen timer. I could do it on the phone, but since I'm using that for what you're seeing, that's kind of like not gonna work so well. So anyways, but yeah, I want to get all this stuff done as fast as possible. This is like a marathon, ultra quick ramen session. So I've got 3 to do, and I got to do the third one. Really, the third one's going to be microwave, and yeah, and then I'm going to do a mukbang. So it's going to be a really hard mukbang today because it's ultra spicy, and it's from South Korea, and it's tteokbokki, and that's going to be tough. I've been really working hard on the diet and exercise thing, and it's been going really good this week. So the first thing I'm going to have today is a bunch of rice cake. Yeah. So yeah, usually I have a bowl of high protein banana walnut oatmeal. So my system's probably gonna be like, dude, what are you doing? Come on. What I've noticed too, I used to have oatmeal with peanut butter, and I stopped doing that. And now it's like I feel fuller for longer than when I actually ate more that had peanut butter in it. And I was talking to my brother about it yesterday. And he was telling me, well, that's probably because of the glycemic index of peanut butter and all the sugar in it. I'm like, okay. That seems like a thing. I really don't know. All I know is if you eat less and you run around more, you're gonna lose weight. So, all right, we are good. Let's give this a do-si-do, ladies and gentlemen. It actually doesn't look bad. Give it a bit of stir it and stir it. Okay. I don't have time for slippery noodles. Wow. I made chicken for this. Get a piece of corn in there with it. Here is the broth. It looks the part. It looks like a nice broth. No. No time today. Go sit down. Love you. You'll get to be in on the mukbang. You can razz Papa all you want. It came in a dark colored package, so I'm gonna use this. Again, I don't really review on this show. I do all the cooking, and once I'm done, that's when I give the score and stuff. So, this'll post eventually. And let's throw in chicken. Gonna do some egg. Yeah, I would call this a utility noodle, which means it's not like horrible, but if you're hungry, it's a food, you know. But it's not something that I'm gonna go, oh my god, wow, that's just absolutely spectacular. Not in the slightest. No. And that's been my experience with this brand, honestly. I'm really sorry to say it. I'm sure there's people who do like this stuff, but personally, I do not. It's funny, there's stuff that I absolutely hate that people love. But, you know. There we go. We're gonna be like, wow, that looks really tasty. And a touch. Of fancy shichimi. We're good. Rotato, do your thing, do your stuff. Oh, come on. Next up, we're going to have one from Umai Crate. Go to japancrate.com, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Sapporo Ichiban Cup Star Shrimp Tensoba. You'll get to see it in a minute. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.